turn? Yep.
What are you having?
Ice cream!
Mmm. That's pretty good. Look at it. It tastes great, huh? You're sharing nicely, Claire.
I'm keeping my consistency cake near me.
Yum, 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 yum.
I love ice cream!
You like snow ice cream?
Mm-hmm.
Snow ice cream. It's delicious.
Delicious.
Mmm. Look at the... You're eating it all up.
Me.
All you need is a little milk and vanilla and Splenda, and you have vanilla ice cream. This was better than the last batch, don't you think?
Mm-hmm.
We got the recipe down.
I'm a big bite Blair. Mm-hmm.
Yeah, Claire, give him a big bite. He's got a crooked hat. Yum. What a day. Another New Jersey snow day. Yikes.
Me?